Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I like to do work around the house. I like to do woodworking, and when I do, I like to have a tool that really does the job. And this is the DEWALT 12-volt max. It is a driver and a drill. It has multi-functions. I really love it. What I really love is it's small, so I can get into nice tight spaces with this, and I don't have to worry about a big drill that can't fit. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is put your drill bits in. You can use an extender with this drill, or you can just use the bit. Either one, they both work the same. So if you just want to use the bit, you just tighten it up, and look how small this is. That's why I really like this drill. All the settings are right here on top. I have 1 and 2 for the different powers and my settings, from drill to driver to whatever setting that I want it to be. So once I put my battery in, I'm ready to go. It has a light, so when I am in tight spaces, the light shines the way. I really love that about it. It comes with 2 batteries as well as the charger. The charger is for 12 volt to 20 volt, and it comes with this really nice handy carrying case. So I love this drill. This is the 12 volt power drill, which is a drill and a driver by DEWALT. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.